Alam mo ba kung mas malaki na bahay ay mas mataas ang value? Hindi palagi. Sa real estate at design value, this is not just about floor area. Mas mahalaga ang layout efficiency, orientation, ventilation at long-term operating cost kaysa sa simpleng laki. May mga 250 square meter houses na mas mataas ang resale value kaysa 350 square meter dahil mas maayos ang planning. Natural isipin na bigger is better, lalo na kung lifetime project mo yan. Gusto mo sulitin ang lupa. May mga cases na justified ang bigger space, especially kung may clear purpose naman. Pero kung pagpapalaki lang ang strategy, madalas doon nagsisimula ang unnecessary cost. Mas malaking bahay is equal to mas malaking structural cost, mas malaking roofing, mas malaking cooling load, mas malaking maintenance for decades. Hindi lang construction ang lalaki, pati lifetime expense. Ang smarter approach ay design for function first. Optimize circulation, maximize natural light and airflow, build what you actually use, not what looks impressive on paper. Bago ka mag-decide ng floor area, tanungin mo muna lahat pa ng square meters nito ay may purpose. Save mo to kung nagpaplano ka magpatayo and comment I am ready. For more smart property design, follow Architect Brendan and Rufa.